All right, folks, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it's time to do a camera review for the Moto G7. I'm doing things a little bit different. I normally just shoot footage out front, but I've taken a lot of photos and things with this phone and did a lot of videos for my car channel with this phone. And I've just been using this phone for a lot of footage. And one thing I noticed is that the stabilization at 60 frames per second in 1080p is not the best, but the quality of the footage is absolutely great. So here's a look at the cameras and what the Moto G7 cameras can produce for you. I'll probably just play some music or something like that in the background, let you look at some of the footage. We've been having a lot of windy days outside, so I'll start off some kind of way, but I'll get it done for you in this video. So it's your man Jay. Hope you enjoy the video, and let me know what you think about the phone's cameras in the comments. Take care. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the rear camera at 1080p at 60 FPS from the Moto G7. I did some footage with the Moto G7 recently. I was out and about. I had the cars out, one of the cars out. And the stabilization is something that I just wasn't that impressed with. But other than that, it's been a fantastic phone. This footage right here is ridiculous, man. It's really, really solid. 1080p to me is the 60 frames per second is probably one of the best settings to shoot at, other than 4K at 60 FPS. I really enjoy it. It's really nice. I got all the cars cleaned up. Had to move the other green one to the front for now. But got my Durango cleaned up. Got the Challenger cleaned up. And we out on and popping. There we go. Mopar.